another one.
He's showing off.
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, look, she woke him up.
That's a good picture.
That is.
What's he
This is
doing
a
now?
good picture. Oops. Doom.
Wake up.
No, dude. He's gonna wake up.
I'll do the same thing at home.
Okay.
Wake up.
Little Susan. If you can do like this, you can pick more sound than a normal.
Right.
So the herring is good for the rhino and a good scent smell.
He doesn't know what to do with the tree.
It's chipping the horn, can you see?
How do I get it off? Try to find him.
Susie, did you see that I'm fast asleep? Why don't you respect my sleep?
Look at him.
That's pretty funny. She's getting sleepy again.
What? Maybe she's gonna leave it on top of him.